We've got a winter storm watch. This is new this morning. It's for the Poconos in Carbon and Monroe. Not here, but the idea that we've got some much colder air coming your way. It starts Thursday afternoon, lasts into Friday. Yet right now, it's 53 degrees. Where typically around this time of year, we'd have temperatures in the upper 30s right now. Not the case today. It's already 51 in Allentown, 50 in Dover. A warm front lifted through, triggered some showers, so the roads may seem a little damp. Right now, we're dry, and the clouds were already trying to break apart a little bit. We'll kind of be in and out of sun in the morning, but the afternoon turning pretty cloudy. So right now it's mostly cloudy, but it's a mild start at 7:52. We're already at 60 by 11 o'clock with some peaks of sun. Pretty cloudy at 3, but mild and 63. At 7 o'clock, mostly cloudy skies and 59. Still dry at 7 o'clock, Matt. The rain is still coming, but it happens late tonight.
That was one of the first times I met him, and I was like, oh, wow,
yes.
He is spirited.
Aaron Rodgers.
Yes, we've been talking a lot about the rain, and it's significant for us. It happens in the overnight hours, but I want you to be prepared for what happens when you're awake and you're dealing with the after effect of it. We've got a winter chill coming our way. Friday's high is only 44. That would be the coldest day we've had since March 21st. It is a blustery feel. We'll have wind chills just in the 30s on Friday, all through the afternoon. You need the really heavy coat, the hat, the gloves on Friday, and first flakes of the season coming Friday, especially north and west. Now, right now, satellite and radar showing, trying to get the clouds to break up a little bit. We had some showers overnight as a warm front came through, so it's really mild right now. Here we are checking first flakes on Friday, and it's currently 53 degrees, where typically your overnight low would just be in the upper 30s. So this is unusual here. 52 in Dover, 50 in Allentown. You just need a hoodie, if that, the morning hours. It's pretty comfortable, but we are seeing a lot of clouds. The clouds break up. I think the brightest time today would be maybe late morning, early afternoon, where you see some sunshine mixing in. At 10, it's 58, really comfortable at lunchtime, 62, 63 at 2 o'clock, at 4 o'clock, 62. So another mild day. Typically, your high would only be in the low 50s. We'll already be at that at 8 o'clock in the morning. Even at 6 o'clock in the evening, you're dry, it's cloudy, and it's 60. Then that rain comes. So let's time it out with Future Tracker 6. This is the look 10:30 at night, where we see some of that rain. Now, maybe you start to get the showers late evening if you're west of the city, but that heavier rain coming maybe 10, 11 o'clock. You see the areas of red. That's the heaviest we've seen in months here. A pounding rain where you get a good inch of rain in the city, a little more north and west. This is a look in the middle of the night when I'm driving to work and you're sleeping at 2:30. You could even hear a rumble of thunder in a couple of places with this, and some pretty strong wind gusts over 30 miles an hour. Now, by 5 o'clock in the morning on Thursday, as you're getting ready for the morning commute, it looks like it's already pulling out of here. Maybe we have some problems because of wet leaves clogging the drains, but you're dry during the morning commute on Thursday. Rain could linger Thursday north of the city, but watch what happens in the cooler air on Friday. This is a look at 11 o'clock in the morning. Cooler air wraps in and you start to see some wet snowflakes, especially north and west of the city. They've got a winter storm watch in the Poconos. I mean, that's where you're getting real snow out of this. Only in the higher elevations, but in Carbon Monroe, a winter storm watch Thursday afternoon to Friday afternoon. The snow, because it's not that cold, is going to be heavy and wet, and that could create some power outages. So we'll have to watch for that. Overall, 1 to 4 inches in the Poconos, only in the higher elevations, though, there. Here's your exclusive AccuWeather 7-day forecast. Still mild today. We may be talking first flakes Friday, but today it's 63. Now, the rain comes at night, and it's pretty heavy at times late night. It wraps up early Thursday. A gusty wind, maybe some peaks of sun here on a Thursday. 50 degrees for your high, and watch for those wind gusts, maybe some showers lingering north of the city. Friday, a chilly wind, rain and some snow showers, a high of only 44. Be prepared for this blast of winter on Friday. Behind it, Saturday, not feeling a whole lot better. 50 and a gusty wind. Sunday's brighter and nicer, 54. Early. Let's take a look at how you got to dress the kids out there this morning, guys, as you're getting ready for the bus stop. It is unusually mild already this morning, so you don't need that heavy jacket. 52 degrees at time of pickup. It's mostly cloudy, but a really mild start. And how about the afternoon drop off? Nearly 10 degrees above average, 63 degrees in the afternoon. It is a pretty cloudy day, but we're dry during the daytime hours. Satellite and radar showing a couple sprinkles that moved through overnight. We had some more pronounced showers even late last night, so maybe the roads are a little damp from that. But right now we see clouds trying to break a little bit. We see some early sun through the day, but the turns even cloudier through the afternoon as those clouds lower and thicken. This is all ahead of the rain tonight. So the rain doesn't happen until late tonight. You're dry during the day, and it's comfortable. 60 in the Lehigh Valley, 63 in the city, 62 at the shore. The rain will move in from west to east, so in the Lehigh Valley, maybe late evening, you start to see that shower. But Matt, it's really in the overnight hours when we get a good inch or so of rain, something we desperately need. Now, that could cause problems for tomorrow morning's commute. Why do you already have problems out there now?
Maybe some piles of damp leaves?
Yeah, maybe.
I don't know, but they're
pretty cloudy out there. We see some peaks of sun, at least, as we look live over the Commodore Barry Bridge. We've been talking a lot about the rain that's on the way. You know it's going to rain, but are you set for what happens next? The next big thing, the first flakes of the season and a true winter chill. That's what's behind this rain that comes tonight. It's all because of this upper level low that's sitting and spinning, producing cold air and making it unstable for us. So what does that mean? That means tonight we get the rain, and then Thursday into Friday, that's when we get the wraparound moisture coming around that. Even some wet flakes flying in, especially north and west. And in the Poconos, you've got a winter storm watch for all this. So big changes coming in the forecast. Satellite and radar showing right now, we've got a lot of clouds. We had some showers roll through last night in the overnight hours, so you could have some wet leaves out there now. Be careful, but it is really mild. I mean, here we're talking wet flakes at the end of the week. It's 54 degrees at 8 o'clock. A lot of clouds, but unusually mild to start. 54 is our typical high on this date. Keep that in mind. At lunchtime, it's 62. Kind of nice out there. At 2 o'clock, 63. At 4 o'clock, 62. Holding in the low 60s. You're still dry even at 6 o'clock at night. And it's 60 degrees. The rain comes later tonight. Now, maybe you start to get some of the first showers late evening if you're west of the city. But here we're looking at 11 o'clock at night where we see this driving rain. I mean, it's been months since we saw something like this. The areas of red. And you see the narrow band. Some very heavy winds coming in with this as well. Gusty winds. This is the overnight hours. 1, 2 o'clock in the morning. You see pockets of heavy rainfall. It's windy in the overnight hours. Now at 5 o'clock in the morning on Thursday, it's already kicking out of here. So your morning commute may be impacted by some wet leaves out there that could clog drains, but it won't be raining during the height of the morning commute. It'll be dry. Some of the showers could stick around Thursday well north of the city, but then that wraparound moisture comes. Here's Friday at 11 o'clock, and you've got some wet flakes coming down, even in the city possible, especially north and west. And then in the Poconos, that's where it's more of a story of a couple of inches of rain. So Wednesday night, you get that band of rain, heavy at times, gusts maybe 30, 35 miles an hour. Overall, half an inch to inch of rain for most of the region. Friday, some rain and wet snow showers. It's windy. Better chance for flakes is north and west. Expecting it just to melt on the surface because the air temperatures should be above freezing. But here's your exclusive AccuWeather 7-day forecast. Still mild. The rain comes at night. 63 for your high, but pretty much a nice day. Rains tonight. Tomorrow, a gusty wind, some peaks of sun. However, if you're north of the city, if you're in the Lehigh Valley, those showers might linger Thursday. It's Thursday into Friday where we start to get some of those rain and wet snow showers mixing in. I mean, Friday's really chilly, 44. Wind chills in the 30s all day. On Saturday, a gusty wind, 50 degrees. It starts to get better Sunday. Brighter, breezy, 54 for the